Today is my birthday. I am very happy.
Good morning, James. Happy birthday.
Thank you, Mom.
Happy birthday, my son.
Thank you, Dad. This gift is for you. Thank you, Lily. I like it. Wow, a toy car. Do you like it? Yes, I like it.
It looks nice.
Thank you, Dad.
Smile, James.
I am smiling. Me too. Christmas. I like my birthday. I feel very happy.
We are happy with you.
Today is special.
Yes, it is special. We are happy with you.
Today is special.
Yes, it is special. Breakfast is ready. I am coming.
Eat your breakfast.
Yes, Mom. Today is a fun day.
The balloons are nice. I like the colors. The room looks good. Happy birthday, James. Thank you. We are here for your party. Let us play. Yes, it's fun.
This is your cake. The cake is big.
The cake looks good. Happy birthday, James. Thank you, everyone.
James, cut the cake.
Okay, Dad.
I am cutting the cake. The cake looks nice.
Here is your cake.
Thank you, Mom.
Here is your cake.
Thank you, Mom. This is for you. Thank you, James. It's sweet. Yes, it is sweet. I like this cake. Me too. I am happy.
Are you enjoying the party?
Yes, we are happy.
Thank you for helping.
You are welcome.
Smile, everyone.
I like your party. Thank you. You are a good friend.
Drink some water. Okay, Mom.
Thank you.
James,
Yes, Dad. I am proud of you. Thank you, Dad.
you are growing up. Yes, Dad. You are a good boy.
I try my best.
James, are you okay?
I feel a little sad.
Why are you sad?
The party will end.
It is okay. I like my birthday. We are always here.
I feel better now.
We love you, James.
I love you too.
I love my family.
Thank you for the party.
It was fun.
Thank you for coming. Yes, it was fun.
Let us clean.
I will help.
Thank you, James.
You are welcome.
It is bedtime.
I am tired.
Good night, James. Sweet dreams.
Good night, Mom.
Good night, Dad.